Two free throws para kay Gary David. First is good. And Marvin Cruz, ang ating MyPhone Dual Life player. Atid sa inyo ng MyPhone. 2 SIMs, 1 phone.
Na-conscious tuloy si Marvin. Second free throw coming up. By the way, si Gary David meron ng 9 points sa quarter na to. Solving Gary's problem. Ito, kasasabi lang natin sa quarter na to, meron ng 9 points. Si Gary David, he's going 3 out of 3 from the floor. Homer Se picking up another foul. Pangatlo na yan.
Third personal laban kay Homer Se. Third team foul laban sa Air 21. Magnolia, by the way, is in the penalty. Another 3 minutes remaining here in the third quarter. Here's Peña getting the ball inside, but the quick hands of Winnie Arboleda getting in the way. Gabi Espinas is in the game for the first time, and Homer Se with a getaway. And he will have a bonus free throw.
Homer Se is so active and very aggressive in going strong to the hole. That's why he gets himself a lot of free throws. Homer Se meron ng 8 points.
8 points and 8 rebounds. Solid all-around game para kay Homer Se. And he ties the game with that bonus free throw. So we're tied at 64. Magnolia has relinquished that lead. But who will shatter the deadlock with 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter?
Matindi itong defense ang pinapakita ng Air 21 against Lodi Tugate. Hindi siya makatanggap. Forcing Villanueva to take that shot. Oh! What a basket!
TM3 for Jonas Villanueva. And it's a 3-point lead para sa Magnolia, 67-64. A minute and a half remaining. Here's Arboleda, top of the key. Arboleda, eyeball to eyeball with Cortez for 3. And the ball ends up with Canaleta. Nice tap by Gary David. Bagong shot clock for Air 21. Canaleta for 3. And he might have surprised even his teammates with that attempt. Here's Tugade. Thought about it. Now he fires. And he scores as it rattles in. TM3 for Lodi Tugade. That's a blocking foul against Tugade. But what a 6-0 counter-attack here para sa Magnolia.
Nasa penalty ng Magnolia, so shooting free throws now is KG Canaleta. Ubusan ng tao dito, partner, because so many players in foul difficulty.
Well, both imports are in foul trouble as Danny Siegel enters the game. Stephen Thomas of Air 21 with 4 personal fouls. Amal Macaskill of Magnolia with 4 personal fouls.
Well, kung magkakaubusan dito, the team with the deeper bench is going to prevail without question.
But these are two talent-laden teams.
Oh, yes. Yeah, but here's where the advantage of Air 21 of having players who play multiple positions comes into play.
Under a minute to go in the third quarter. Peña fouled. First personal against Gabi Espinas, who used to play for Magnolia. And he sent Dorian Peña to the line. Egay Billones makes his first appearance in the game. Sabay pumasok kasama si Ranidel de Ocampo. Canaleta and Arboleda are both sitting down.
And that's good rest, no, for Arboleda with less than a minute to go sa ating third period.
Here's Espinas. Espinas was caught in the arm by Danny Siegel. Hinayang si Danny Segal because they were able to hem in Gabby Espinas in a tight situation. Instead, Espinas will have 2 free throws.
A very explosive first step ni Gabby Espinas, left-handed player.
Gabby Espinas was a first-round draft pick ng Magnolia. At nagmadali si Gabby Espinas in trying to retrieve his own miss. So bola pumunta sa Magnolia with 35 seconds remaining in what has been a pulsating third quarter.
Again, yung difficulty ng Magnolia to get the ball past the timeline. That defense.
Look out. Cortez almost lost the ball. Segal fakes. Segal fires. 12 points
moves
for Segal.
Last shot time para sa Air 21.
10 seconds to go in the third quarter. Here's Billones. 8 seconds to go.
Now you want the ball in the hands of Santos. Oh, here's an outside shot. Layo nun.
Diyan magtatapos ang third quarter despite a furious rally by Air 21. Magnolia managing to keep the Express at bay. And they lead Game 6 by 8 points, 74-66 at the end of 3 quarters. The payoff period is coming right up.